Joe Carpenter. I'm a production line manager for Skilled Manufacturing. SMI is a production facility that machines aerospace components. We also inspect and assemble them. We employ right around 125 to 150 people. The company is growing, the footprint is not. Floor space became a premium pretty quickly as we add more and more equipment, more and more production. We said, hey, we can go vertical with this if we can find the way to do it. We knew about the VLM technology. We knew it was something we could integrate here to save ourselves some floor space. We saw Modula at a trade show and kind of put pieces together from there. So the parts that we're keeping in the Modula are anything from the size of your thumbnail to something this big.
So as an inventory control specialist, I control inventory. It is my job to make sure that our inventory is accurate and that our data is carried through with integrity. When there is an order put in from a customer, we also get that information and we pull it from the Modula. It just pinpoints where the location is. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to remember where it is. And also I don't have to physically go get it because the trays are brought to me. There is a laser pointer that is extremely accurate. So when you have a tray with a ton of parts on it, you don't have to remember where it is. It just, bam, tells you where it is, and it has a green dot, and it's like, this is go, this is green. So it's actually really nice because I don't have to remember where everything is because we have thousands of parts in this thing. And it just saves me a lot of time and I don't even have to worry about it. I don't have to think about it, and it's wonderful. It's keeping our parts even cleaner because we're not interacting with the floor or things like that. So it keeps them clean, it keeps them safe, and it just keeps it all together. I absolutely love the flexibility of it. Before we had the Modula VLM, we actually had a rack system. So every piece was done chronologically through all the parts, and it was just open static space. So it was using a lot of floor space on our manufacturing floor.
If we didn't use the Modula, we would have had to scrap our idea of adding new machines in, or we would have had to expand the cell shop floor. Getting the Modula opened up enough room for us to put 4 new machines inside, so this worked well with our plan of opening up more ground space.
Not only is it US built, so we want to support local, but also the serviceability. We don't have to wait for an international call to fix a problem if we have one.
Once Modula shipped it and it arrived here, it only took them 1 week to build, and it took us 2 weeks to implement to our system, including the training process that involved.
Service line's been great. They got a 24-hour hotline. We call them and usually within a couple hours we've got a response and how to fix it. Almost never, I would say, have we had the problem with the Modula that actually ended up putting us production down for any reason.
I do love the Modula VLMs because it does make my job a lot better, a lot easier, and a lot more efficient. And when you've got a laundry list of things to do, that efficiency is key to making sure everything gets in, gets out on time for our customers. So I would love to have more of them. I would love to have a fleet of them.